In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom account. If you're brand new to Zoom, don't worry. This is quick and straightforward, and we'll do it right in your web browser. Start by opening your preferred browser and typing zoom.com into the address bar. Make sure you're on the official site. You should see the Zoom logo and a secure connection indicator in your browser. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see what you need, you may find options behind the main menu. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up Free. On some screens, it may appear as Sign Up. It's free, but it's the same button. This takes you into the short setup flow so you can get your account ready. You'll first be asked for your birth year. Zoom uses this to confirm age eligibility and tailor the experience. You only need to provide the year, not your full birthday. Select the correct year and continue. This is a quick check to make sure the account is created for the right type of user. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can start with your email address, or you can connect through an existing account to get going immediately. Zoom supports options like SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Pick the one that fits you best. If you're using a work or school login, SSO, short for single sign-on, lets you sign in through your organization's system. If you prefer convenience, Apple or Google can streamline things by using your existing credentials. And if you want to keep your Zoom profile separate from other services, using your email is a simple, universal choice. Whatever you select, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Zoom guides you step by step and keeps the process clear. As soon as your account is created, you'll be taken straight to the Zoom dashboard. This home area is where you can find everything you need. Along the top or side, you'll see options related to meetings, your profile, and settings. From here, you're ready to start using Zoom, whether that's exploring preferences, checking your profile details, or getting familiar with the meeting tools available in your account. The layout is designed to be clean and intuitive so you can find what you need quickly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Bookmark zoom.com so it's easy to return to your dashboard. If you connected with a third-party account like Apple or Google, remember to use that same option the next time you sign in. And if you're using a managed organizational account through SSO, your login experience may look a little different depending on your company or school's setup, which is normal. That's it. Your Zoom account is ready. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next meeting with a brand new account.